Alright, today is Labor Day 2020. We just picked up this 64 convertible. This is for a customer. He can let himself be known if he wishes. But I'm going to be doing a full treatment on this. Overall, it's not a bad car. Huh? What? Oh, yeah, safety first. So we're going to be getting this thing home, breaking the frame down. It's getting the full treatment. It's going to get a powder coated chassis, disc brakes, all the metal work, and a paint job. It's going to get a molded firewall. Overall, it's not a bad car. Looking forward to it. It's already got the lowrider wheels. It's a real convertible. Floor's done, trunk's done already. Just needs a little bit of patchwork here and there. So, bring you guys back once we get it back to the house. Probably the next click is good. Alright. So that's it. We're gonna roll this sucker right out of here. I say we break it down right here. Get it on the trailer and then wheel the other frame in here.
Yeah, we need a bag or a box to put all these in.
Yeah.
Yeah. Put all these in the bag. I got big wrenches too, Kenny. I got a whole set of wrenches.
For the back hanger
Yeah.
or trailer arm? Good. Alright, so we got this thing off the frame, getting the frame ready for powder coat. It's an original convertible frame. There's the reinforcements on it. It's a pretty good piece. It's pretty solid. We're going to do powder coating this. We're going to narrow the rear end, powder coat that. It's got all new suspension for it, some tubular arms. It's going to have tubular arms with the narrowed rear end. So we'll bring you guys back once we get some more work. Right, so it's still Labor Day 2020. We got this thing home over here without incident, which is good. We got it off the frame and we got it on another dummy frame that I had, spare frame, just for the time being. This weekend, plan to get it on a rotisserie, start molding the firewall. But overall, it's a pretty good car. It has its few little bumps and bruises here and there. The doors need some alignment work, so I need some new pins and bushings for that. Need some patchwork down there on the bottom. There's some patchwork inside the wheelhouse. And of course a lot of blocking and pulling out some dents. The box braces are good. They've been replaced at some point, it looks like. Trunk pan's been replaced. It's got something funky going on right here. This area, it's all low, so it needs some work there. Little bumps and bruises, but overall nothing I think is too bad. It's a factory convertible. It has a factory convertible frame, so I'm not sure what color the owner's going to want on this. He's still deciding. We're still a ways out from that. Honestly, I think by the time it's ready for paint, it's probably going to be too cold to spray. So I'm thinking we spray it sometime maybe next spring. I don't know. We'll see. Weathers are kind of unpredictable down here. So anyways, it was a good day. Got the frame off the powder coat. It's on the trailer, frame, trailing arms. Going to narrow the rear end like I said previously. Trunk's really solid. good trunk. I think this is a really good car. The fenders need patchwork. The hood needs a little patchwork, but overall, just little bumps and bruises. So I hope you guys stay tuned to this. It's going to be a good build. I think we're going to do a lot to it. We'll see. We'll see what happens. I hope the owner's happy. I told him we would get it off the frame in a day, and we did. So you guys stay tuned for more work to come. Thanks for watching.